In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Telegram auto-reply bot with n8n. We'll go from a brand new Telegram bot to a working automation that listens for messages and instantly replies. You'll need a Telegram account and access to n8n, either self-hosted or cloud. Keep your bot token private the entire time. First, create your Telegram bot. Open Telegram, search for BotFather, and start the chat. Type the command /newbot. BotFather will guide you to give your bot a display name, then a unique username that ends with the word bot. As soon as it's created, you'll receive a bot token. Copy that token carefully. We'll paste it into n8n in a moment. Now switch to n8n and create a new workflow. This is where your automation will live. Give the workflow a clear name so you can find it later. Add a Telegram trigger node. Click the plus button, search for Telegram trigger, and select the on message event. This tells n8n to wake up whenever your bot receives a new message, so you can run actions in response. Connect your bot to the trigger. In the node's credentials section, choose Create New Credential, paste the bot token you saved from BotFather, and save. Then make sure that credential is selected in the trigger node so n8n knows which bot to listen to. If your n8n instance is behind a firewall or not publicly reachable, consider using an accessible URL so Telegram can deliver messages reliably. Next, add a reply. Click the plus button again, add a Telegram node, and set the action to Send Message. For Chat ID, map the Chat ID coming from the Telegram trigger. That ensures the reply goes back to the exact chat that messaged you. In the text field, type a simple response like, "Thanks for your message." You can also connect this to an AI agent later for smarter replies. Time to test. Click Execute Workflow in n8n to put it in a listening state. Go back to Telegram, open your bot, and send a message. If you receive the reply, everything is working. Return to n8n and click Activate so the workflow keeps running without the manual execution step. You've just built a Telegram to n8n to Telegram loop. From here, you can power AI chatbots, set up automatic replies, log messages to Google Sheets, or trigger any workflow you like, all in minutes.